In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Gmail password. First, here's the key takeaway. You can't directly view your Gmail password inside Google or the Gmail app itself. There's no Show Password button for Gmail, and that's by design. Google does not store your password in a readable form. Instead, it's securely hashed and encrypted, which means even Google can't display the original text of your password back to you. This protects your account, but it also means you won't find a simple View Password option in Gmail. What you can do, however, is check whether your password was saved in your browser. If you've previously told Google Chrome to save your login, Chrome may have it stored locally on your device. If that's the case, you can reveal it with a quick check in Chrome's Password Manager. Here's how to do that. Open the Google Chrome browser on the computer where you usually sign in. Go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find and open Password Manager. You'll see a list of saved sites and logins. Use the search box and type gmail.com. If you see a result for Gmail, click it to open the saved credentials detail page. Next, click the little eye icon to reveal the password. For security, Chrome will prompt you to verify your identity. Enter your Windows password to confirm it's really you, and then Chrome will display the saved Gmail password on screen. A couple of important notes here. This method only works if you previously saved your Gmail password in Chrome on this device. If you don't see any entry for gmail.com, it likely means the password wasn't saved. Also, the verification step asks for your Windows password. This is your computer login, not your Google password. That extra check prevents someone else from walking up to your unlocked browser and revealing your saved passwords. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, make sure you're in the profile where you originally saved your Gmail login. You can switch profiles using the profile icon near the top right of Chrome. And for your privacy, never reveal or copy passwords on shared or public computers. When you're done, close the Password Manager and lock your device to keep your information safe. To recap, you can't view your Gmail password within Gmail or Google itself because of strong security practices. But if you saved it in Chrome, you can reveal it through Chrome's Password Manager by searching gmail.com, selecting the result, clicking the eye icon, and confirming with your Windows password.